Welcome to Effortless Keto, fast and flavorful recipes. Are you ready to simplify your keto journey without sacrificing taste? Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced world, eating healthy can feel overwhelming. But with Effortless Keto, we make it easy and enjoyable. Our focus? Quick recipes packed with flavor that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Keto isn't just about cutting carbs. It's about embracing whole, nutrient-dense foods. Our recipes feature vibrant veggies, healthy fats, and mouth-watering proteins. Each dish is designed to keep you satisfied while staying within your carb limits. Let's talk speed. Our recipes take 30 minutes or less to prepare, making it easy to whip up something delicious any night of the week. Just look at this zucchini noodle stir-fry. It's quick, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Busy family? No problem. Effortless Keto is designed for everyone. Enjoy quality time without the stress of complicated cooking. Our one-pan meals mean less cleanup and more togetherness. And did we mention flavor? Each recipe is thoughtfully crafted to ensure you never feel deprived. From creamy garlic butter shrimp to savory cauliflower mash, your taste buds will thank you. Plus, we've included helpful tips along the way. Learn how to meal prep, ingredient substitutions, and even ways to customize these recipes to fit your unique palate. Effortless Keto is all about making keto work for you. Imagine gathering around the dinner table with family and friends, sharing delicious keto meals that everyone loves. You can enjoy the benefits of a low-carb lifestyle without sacrificing the joy of eating together. Ready to embark on your keto journey? Grab your copy of Effortless Keto, fast and flavorful recipes today. Visit our website for exclusive recipes, tips, and community support. Let's make keto effortless and enjoyable together. Remember, with Effortless Keto, you can eat well, feel great, and enjoy every bite. Happy cooking!